Hi everyone, it's Trish and welcome back to my channel, Trish's Healthy Appetite. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I post vegan plant-based recipe videos every single week, and I also post a vlog every Sunday so that you can check out what we've been up to. So today I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant favorite of mine that I used to love getting back before we became vegan. It's the Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana. This soup is so light and creamy as well as savory and filling. It's full of thinly sliced potatoes, vegan Italian sausage, and shredded kale. This was one of the first meals that I veganized, and I was so surprised at how easy it was to accomplish. I now make this anytime I get a craving for it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients. First, you will need Better Than Bouillon, the vegan version, crushed red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, nutritional yeast, this is optional to be added as a topping, plant milk, I'm using unsweetened vanilla flavored almond milk, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, a bushel of kale, vegan Italian sausages, I'm using the Field Roast brand, and about 6 to 7 small to medium sized yellow potatoes. All right, let's get started. In a large stock pot, go ahead and add 4 cups of plant milk, 3 cups of water, 2.5 tablespoons of a vegan bouillon, 2.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cracked red pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Go ahead and give this a stir and let it come to a boil. In the meantime, let's slice up these potatoes. I'm thinly slicing the potatoes similar to how Olive Garden does in their version of this soup. We're only going to need 2 Italian sausage links for this recipe. So here you can see I am quartering these up and then slicing them thinly to kind of resemble Italian sausage crumble. Go ahead and add the potatoes and then the sausage to the slightly boiling broth. Give it a stir and then go ahead and let it come to a boil. Let the soup boil until the potatoes are completely cooked. Then go ahead and shred up your washed kale and add them to the soup. So go ahead and stir in the kale, and you're just gonna want this to cook in the soup just for a little bit. It doesn't need to be fully cooked. You just want the leaves to be wilted. So there it is. I love this soup. You can even up the protein content of the soup by adding red lentils if you'd like. Just don't forget to soak and rinse them very well before adding. I'd love to know what your favorite restaurant meal is, so go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll even veganize it. As always, the recipe is in the description box below, and if you try out my recipe, tag me on Instagram at TrishIsHealthy. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button below to subscribe so you can be the first to check out my recipes. I upload new recipe videos every single week, and I also post a vlog on Sundays so you can catch a glimpse into our vegan life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.